Hello all, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog. It's been so long that we have seen each other. I guess almost a half year now. We did so many things in this month, like we built up a new plans for iGeeks blog, new office space, new studio space, and lot more. I'm excited to share it with you all, but not now. Maybe earlier next month. Today, I have came up with a product for all Airpods Pro users, and that is AirSnap Pro by TwelveSouth. Before we move ahead, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest video updates from us. Now, if you have done that, let's move ahead. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to drop my AirPods more than I like, and there are scars on the case to prove it. You probably can't see it in the video, but they are there. That's where this AirSnap Pro case. I'm using it for a week and that impressed me. AirSnap Pro is made from premium top grain leather. The material is neither too thick nor too flimsy, but making it sturdy, protective and flexible at the same time. Since it's a leather, the patina developed with use shall make the case more beautiful by the day. Going by my previous experience with the book cases for iPad Pro and MacBook Pro, I can vouch for the look, durability and protective aspect. TwelveSouth always influenced me with the product quality, and that I can feel with this AirSnap Pro. Take a look at the design. Perfect round corner, smooth finishing on edges, durable stitches and lot more. There is no second thought for a wireless or wired charging. AirSnap Pro is a QI charging compatible and with a proper cutout for a wired charging. Another convenient feature is the extended clip that makes attaching an S-clip or lanyard, so we can carry our AirPods Pro in the pocket, hand to a bag or on a wrist. All impressive, right? But it is not. There are two significant flaws I have noticed with this case. First, we cannot just press the button at the back for a seamless pairing. We need to remove the case to pair the AirPods Pro with another device. Second, flip the case and then open the AirPods Pro lids to pull out the earpods. Anyways, with all these features and flaws, TwelveSouth does it again. Everything from the impressive finishing to the minimalistic brand logo, this cover gives an upgrade to an AirPods Pro in terms of styles and protection. As music and AirPods Pro lover, I give a big thumbs up to this AirSnap Pro. Whether you consider the look, design, material quality, hand feel, protection or convenience, this leather case accounts for almost everything. What's your thought on this? Do share in the comments down below. Meantime, subscribe to iGeeks vlog and stay tuned by following us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I'm Nikhil signing off and talk to you guys in the next one.